back to my channel. So today I thought I would share with you a sweepstakes that Spellbinders is holding. They're holding a $420 prize bundle sweepstake in which you, when you enter, you have the opportunity to win this entire prize bundle. That includes the Spellbinders Platinum machine, the Spellbinders Platinum 6 actually, their glimmer hot foil system, along with some dies and some glimmer metals that you can use on the glimmer hot foil system. So all you have to do is click on the link that I'm going to leave you with at the area underneath this video, and I cannot enter because I'm an affiliate with Spellbinders, plus I'm a designer with them, so I can't enter. But I thought that I would go ahead and let y'all know about this sweepstakes, and I hope that you do enter and that one of y'all win. Thank you so very much for watching, and I'll see you once again real soon. Bye now.